RI Academy Podcast One Student, One Creativity.
Hi guys, welcome back to RI Academy Podcast One Student, One Creativity. This is Literature and ELT course. So today we're gonna a little chit chat of course about something pretty cool. Like we're not just about talking about literature but also the fourth language skill such as reading, writing, listening, and also speaking, right? And then we're gonna talk about fourth language skill 21st century, which is aka Farsis. Yes. And then we're gonna use the novel Kemarau by A.A. Nafis. This is the climate change novel. Because honestly, literature and ELT is not just about reading, right? So this story then is about building language and also the mindset.
Yes, that's right. Because in ELT classroom, literature really integrated learning class.
Yes.
All of language can be covered just doing one activity. We can start from reading the text.
Oh.
When students try to read the text or novels, they start to activate their reading comprehensions. And then when they are try to listening to audio, podcasts, and so on, that means they are try to activate their listening skills.
Oh.
And then when they are try to discussing together in groups, they are activated their speaking skills. And they also can take a notes or reflections in their notebooks. That's to improve writing skills from students. And all of that skills can be related to our forces that very viral in the world of education right now. And the forces are critical thinking, creativity, collaborations, and communications.
So when we choose this novel, it's a right choose, right? So when we read this novel, that means student can improve the reading skill. What you think about this?
That's really right actually, because when students start to read the novels, of course the novels about Kemarau,
yeah.
of villages experiencing severe drought, they start to asking basic questions first.
Yes.
The basic questions are like where the story took place, or what's the conflicts, what the problems of the story, and then who are the characters of the story. Because of that stage, the students getting improved in reading skills and text analysis. You can start build critical thinking from this actually. You have to notice small details in story to build a critical thinking.
After talk about reading, we also can move to interpreting stage, right? So, in your opinion, when the students start to interpreting the novel?
After reading, they start to interpreting the novel. Actually, that's really work hard because they start to asking deep questions. Like questions like, this is a real movement or just a symbol to show up a moral message of the story or something. Because in this stage, they are trying to improve their reading skills, but that's transformed from reading to analytical thinking. And then they try to build a logical arguments. We also can connect this into our intergovernmental panel on climate change that talk about increasing global drought. We are not just learning about analysis, but we related this conflict into our real life conditions right now.
Oh, okay. Now we move the fun part. So when we read the novel story, we imagining the solution from the problem the character made. So it's not just about criticizing but also thinking the solution.
Yes, that's right. That's a fun part actually in the class.
Okay.
Because in my class, I usually ask them to practice their speaking skills for giving them questions like, guys, if you were villagers, what would you do?
Wow,
Or
yes,
what would you
yes.
do differently? And then suddenly the atmosphere in the class getting intense, and then they are start to sharing their own opinions that sometimes they are also out of the box,
Yes.
but still in a context, still about the novel Kemarau. And then that's really important because that feels kind of like brainstorming.
Okay, what about explaining? That must be writing, right?
Yes, that's right. Writing is really important skills
Yes,
in
yes.
analysis, and that the students have to write an essay,
Yeah.
essay analysis, that kind of academic essay actually. They have to explain how severe drought reflected in our environmental crisis in real life right now.
So read this novel can improve our experience, reading
Yes.
skill, critical thinking, and also creativity,
Yes,
right? So
that's right.
next is we're gonna talk about the affective domain and the fourth language skill. So stay tuned and we'll be right back.
RI Academy Podcast, One Student, One Creativity.
Hello guys, welcome back to RI Academic Podcast. One student, one creativity. Still with us and still fun. So, how do the student connect the story to their own experiences?
That's so fun actually,
yes.
actually in class because they are start to tell about respective regions. They in their village experiences like severe droughts, rice field falling, everything comes out. In this stage, they are improve their skills like communication skills, speaking skills, sharing ideas or ideas generations. Because they are not learn about language and not just learn about language actually, but sharing real life experiences to others.
So that means the student can improve their experiences, right?
That's
so, and also how can student literature that make student feel the empathy?
That's that when students try to read a story, they can feel sad or angry, and that means they are emotionally engaged because reading a story is not just about read, but we also feel the story. In that stage, the skills that getting improved from students are emotional literacy. And then sustainability mindsets because of that, and then that's really important for these generations.
Oh my god, before this I'm so curious about this, and when you explain this is so clear enough. So usually after read the story, student also like judging the character, like I hate this character, I don't like this character, blah blah blah. Yes,
That's a cute part because they try to show up their emotions,
yes,
but they are still judged in a positive way, not in a bad way, because they are doing judgment on purpose to show their critical thinking and analytical tags based on the stories.
or like they start to commentary
They
the
do communication skills,
yes,
and
yes.
then doing
critical
critical thinking. Start to asking deep questions, critical
Yes.
questions, and then they are also reflections themselves. Like, so what about me? What my contributions in this world?
Yes.
That's an important thing to do in the 21st generations because they have to evaluate and then judging with ethically because this is new generations to learn that things.
So the student can start thinking about what I do when I become this character.
Yes,
so
yes.
yes. I think we forgot about one stages. We haven't highlight about the collaboration, right?
Oh yes, that's right. Thank you for reminding me. For collaboration in ELT classroom, we have to do a discussion in small groups and then join presentations and make a video like podcast like we are doing right now.
Oh.
And then that's really important to learn because we have to learn how to work together in group and then how to accept someone's ideas, negotiate ideas, and produce something together. This also can develop our 4C skills in world of education.
Okay, that's all. Next, we are gonna talk about reflect together from our discussion, right? So stay tuned. We'll be right back after this.
RI Academy Podcast, One Student, One Creativity.
Hello guys, welcome back to RI Academy Podcast, One Student, One Creativity. So, this is the last stages we gonna discuss about.
That's so sad.
It's okay, don't worry. So let's go to the conclusion. What's the main point actually we got from our discussion today?
So the main points of our discussions today is literature is not just about reading the text and forgetting them, but literature go deep to improve our skills. Start from reading skills, listening, speaking, and writing, and also the 4C skill you have to improve like critical thinking, creativity, collaborations, and communication. So don't forget about that.
The point is reading literature not just about a passive activity. We reading and then we sleeping. I think that's no
not
way.
good.
Yes, and it's transformative. It's changed us to with this novel. We can learn about learning English, thinking critically, empathize with other, and also build ecological awareness. So that means isn't that so amazing?
That's so amazing, actually.
So guys, stay reflect, stay critical, and stay eco-conclusion. Alright, see you in the next episode of RI Academic Podcast. One student, one creativity. Bye bye.
Bye. Thank you so much.
RI Academy Podcast, One Student, One Creativity.
Cinta and
Guys, one take lagi, one take.
Jadi kami kelompok pertama yang melakukan podcast. Cuman persiapan aja harus diikat kalau misalnya mau di